Most people don't become wealthy because they start too late. And truth is, your 20s and 30s are the most powerful decades to change your financial destiny. If you feel behind, confused, or it's like money slips through your fingers every month, then this video will flip everything. Let's get straight into it. So, step 1, build your financial base. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on sand. So, what will happen? It will collapse, right? That's what happens when you invest without a safety net. Start with an emergency fund that will cover 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Get a health insurance so that one hospital bill doesn't destroy your saving. And if someone is dependent on your income, get a term insurance. Wealth is built by protecting yourself from things that can wipe you out. So, step 2, master your cash flow. This line hits hard. You cannot build wealth if you don't know where your money goes. Track your expenses for 30 days. You will immediately see leaks. Automate your savings so that money goes out to savings account before you can spend it. And stop lifestyle creep. Just because your salary goes up doesn't mean your expenses should. It's not how much you make that makes you wealthy. It's how much you keep. Now, step 3, start investing early. People waste years trying to time the market. Wealthy people simply give their money time. So the golden rule is simple. Start early, stay consistent, and don't interrupt compounding. So you can start with index funds, which are simple, low cost, and proven. Add some flexi cap funds for diversifying long-term growth. Avoid hype-driven bets that promises overnight success or richness. Here is a simple, powerful example. If you invest 10,000 every month from age of 25, you would retire with crores more than someone who started at the age of 35, even if both invested the same amount. Compounding doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards patience. Step 4, build a multiple income sources. One income is too close to zero. Layoffs, recession, and emergency doesn't wait for you to be prepared. Your goal is to increase your income faster than your expenses. Learn high value skills like communication, sales, digital tools, and problem solving. Then build a side income through freelancing, consulting, digital products, or online services. You don't need to focus on 10 income streams at a time. You just need to build one strong income stream and then grow and then build some other one after the other. Step 5, create your 5-year wealth plan. Wealth doesn't happen by accident, it happens by design. Set your income target. Set your savings rate. Decide how much you will invest each month. Plan when you will pay off your debt and when you will make a major purchase. Review your plan once a year and adjust as your life evolves. Remember, what gets planned gets built. What gets ignored gets destroyed. Here is the entire blueprint in one line. Protect yourself early, master your cash flows, invest consistently, grow your income, and plan ahead. Do this for 5 years and you will see a massive change in your life. If this helped you, comment I am starting today. Like this video and subscribe for more real world money wisdoms. Your 20s and 30s are not the time to look rich, they are the time to build wealth.